Guys, it's JAMAICAN. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you 10 Jamaican Patwa phrases that will have you speaking like a Jamaican Patwa native instantly today. Okay, let's get into it.
Welcome to the show. Like up the video, drop a comment below, subscribe to me, let's go. It's the Dihalli, it's the Dihalli show. It's the Dihalli, it's the Dihalli show.
Stay tuned to the end where I will give you a bonus tip on how to negotiate in Jamaican Patwa. Let's get into the video. So, the first phrase is wagwan. Now, Jamaicans use wagwan on a daily basis. Wagwan. Say it after me. Wagwan. Wagwan. Wagwan basically mean hello, how are you doing, are you good? The second phrase that I'll be teaching you is yeman. Yeman. Yaman. Yeman. 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 Say it after me. Yeman. 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 Second phrase, yeman. Yeman means yes, sure, absolutely, I agree. Yeman. That's another Jamaican Patwa phrase that is used on a daily basis. Okay, the third phrase that I'll be teaching you is your good door. 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 Your good door is saying, basically, are you okay? But your good door is used to politely end a conversation. When you're talking to a Jamaican and they say your good door, it just means that, okay, I would like to wrap up the conversation now in a polite way. Your good door. Now, your good is similar to your good door. Your good door is used to end a conversation. Your good is used to basically start a conversation. Your good is genuinely asking you, are you okay? How have you been doing? You're good? You're good? You're good? You're good? Your good is asking, are you okay? How have you been doing? How is life? Catch me up on how your life has been going. So, your good is saying, give me the information. Your good door is saying, alright, I have to go, but in a polite way. The fourth phrase that I'll be teaching you is Medaya ino. Medaya ino. Medaya ino. Say it with me. Me deya ino. Me deya ino. Medaya ino is saying, I'm doing good. I'm not about to reveal a lot of information. It's just basically surface conversation. Medaya ino. Medaya man. Or something to that effect. It's just basically saying, I'm good, it's nice to see you, alright. It's basically like saying, alright, it's just a brief conversation. But then I know. Lovely. Alright. The fifth phrase that I'll be teaching you is later. Later is just like your good door. Later is saying, see you later or goodbye. Later. Later man. Jamaicans like to say man. So even if it's a woman, we say later man. Later. Later. Say it after me. Later. 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 Alright. The sixth phrase that I'll be teaching you is, this one is a little touchy-feely, but this one is, ya idiot. Ya idiot. Ya idiot. Ya idiot. Alright. Ya idiot is saying, are you stupid? Are you foolish? Ya idiot, are you an idiot? If you say, ya idiot, you know, that is a more playful one. When they say, ya idiot, is someone genuinely inquiring, are you stupid? Why would you do something this stupid? Ya idiot, you know, is just saying, you're so funny, you're so hilarious, you're so humorous, right? So, ya idiot, you know, in the inner is basically a playful way of saying you are funny. But ya idiot is a serious thing. Okay? Are you stupid? Why would you do something so stupid? Ya idiot? Another one is on the same plane is your favorite idiot. Your favorite idiot is another playful way of saying you are funny, you are humorous, you're jovial. your favorite idiot. It's just a way of saying you're acting, you're funny. You're funny. Your favorite idiot. Your favorite idiot. Your favorite idiot. Lovely. The 7th tip that I'll be teaching you is move from yasso. Move from yasso. Move from yasso. Say it after me. Move from yasso. Move from yasso is just saying get away from me. Get away from here. Move from yasso. No, you can say move from yasso in a playful way, like in your friend talk and your friend says something funny and you're like move from yasso. You can't be serious. You understand me? Move from yasso. But if you're in an argument, you can say this to somebody. Based on the tone, you can know if a person is serious or if a person is being playful. If a person said to you, move from yasso. Okay, the move from yesterday, the one day you need to really move from yasso, right? But if somebody say, move from yasso, then they're being jovial, they're being playful, like, okay, you're crazy. You're humorous, you're funny. The move from yasso is you're funny. Okay, move from yasso. Or you couldn't be serious, so move from yasso. But move from yasso. Get out of my face. Move from yasso. Get out of my face. Move from yasso. And if you're being serious, you have to put in the neck movement. Like you can't just say move from yasso. You can't be like move from yasso. Like no, you have to move from yasso. You understand me? You have to give the. You understand me? Move from yasso. Alright. Next verse that we're talking about is where you there. Now, where you there is basically saying where are you? Where are you? Let's say like me. I live in Kingston. I live central to almost everything. So like if me and my girlfriends are going out in the night, they'll call me and say, where you there? Because I'll be in the house still getting ready and I'll be like, I'm coming up the stairs. I'm almost in the club. Then we'll call again and say, where you there? Didi, where you there? Didi, where are you? Where you there? You understand me? Where you're there. Where you're there. How far are you? Where you're there. Where are you? Say it with me. Where you're there. One more time. Where you're there. Say it fast. Where you're there. Where you're there. Okay? The next one that I'll be teaching you is you look good. You look good. You look good. You look good. Girl, you look good. Baby boy, you look good. So the phrase is you look good. You look good. You look good. You look good. You are beautiful. You look attractive. You look appealing. You look desirable. You look good. Okay? You're nice and look good. You're fat and look good. In Jamaica, we don't take offense by someone saying that we're fat. Okay? A matter of fact, if someone say you're fat and look good, that's actually a compliment. Okay? Because they don't really go for the skinny mini. They like the thick. Okay? Alright, the next phrase is I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go, man. I saw it go. Say it after me. I saw it go. I saw it go. One more time. I saw it go. I saw it go is saying that that's just how things are. Like if something bad happens, you can say I saw it go. So in essence, I saw it go is just basically saying it is what it is. That's how things are. Alright. Another thing that I need to teach you, it's not a word, it's not a phrase, it's just an action. You have to learn to hiss your teeth, like, right? So you need to learn it properly, like the Jamaican way, because the Jamaican way is so expressive. Like, for example, like someone at me like, you understand me? You need to do it a way where, you know, it just evoke exactly what you're saying, what you're feeling, you know, just the emotions that's running through your body. Once again, let's do it again. Do it, just look at what I'm doing, and then you can follow after. So yeah, that's the Jamaica hiss, or that's the Jamaica kiss my teeth. Okay, now for the bonus, for the dollars, for the bonus. For the bonus, I'm going to teach you how to bargain, some bargaining tips in Jamaica, right? So for example, me, I live uptown. Well, I don't live all the way uptown. I live middletown. So, but yeah, I live uptown. Me just call it what it is. I live uptown, right? So when I'm going downtown, sell things more affordable. Let's say I'm going to the farmers market downtown, right? The vendors usually set their price, and some of them will change their price based on how you look, right? If you look like you are wealthy, or if you have money, or if you're not a native, or if you're not from the area, they may sell you things at a premium. However, if you alter the deepness of your patwa, you could get your products cheaper, right? They might give you a different price versus, alright, for example, let me give you a scenario. Let's say I want to buy a shoe. So if I go down there and I'm acting all prim and proper and I'm like, what's the cost for that shoe? Then I'm going to get the uptown price, okay? I'm going to get the prim and proper price. I'm going to get the you have money price, okay? But if I say, how much for that? How much for that shoes there? Then I'm going to get the local price. I'm going to get the I see you, you see me price. Now, the thing is that you have to keep it very balanced, because if you go too deep in your pattern, you say, how much for that price? Alright, let's try to forget it good. Alright, how much for that did they sell? They know that you're not exactly from there, so they're giving you the country price. You're asking the same question, you know, how much for that did they sell? How much for that did they sell is saying, what's the cost for that? How much for that did they sell? That's the deep country price, right? How much for that? That's a regular town price, right? What's the cost for that shoe? That's the uptown price. You understand me saying? No, you have to do it the right way. How much for that? So if you're asking what's the cost for that, or what's the cost for that shoe, how much for that shoes there? Say it after me. How much for that shoes there? Let's say it slowly. How much for the shoes there? How much for that shoes there? Right? And when you get the price, if the price is a bit too high, if you think the price is a bit too high, you can't say, no man, you can't take off something off it. No, let's say that slowly. No man, you can't take off something off it. You can't take off something off it. You can't take off something off it. No man, you can't take off something off it. Basically saying, what's the best price you can give me? So, in that case, then people understand, okay, maybe this person knows what they're talking about. Maybe this person is a local. Even if you're white, maybe you know the ropes. Maybe you have been in Jamaica for a long time. So, you know, no man, you can't take off something off it. How much for that shoes there? You understand me? So, that's basically how you bargain. So what's the cost? How much for this? Or how much for that? How much for this? Or how much for that? Both of them mean the same thing. What's the cost for this? How much for this? Or how much for that? What's the cost for this? And if the price is too high, you can say, no man, you can't take off something off it. Or no man, no do me so bad, take off something off it. No man, no do me so bad, take off something off it. Basically saying, what's the best price you can give me? Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it was informative and you learned a lot. And now you can speak like a native Jamaican. Thank you for your time. Have a super awesome day and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Toodles!
Big up for me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe and come again. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli show. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli show.